Michelle Gumabao to put it in play. Bingo Millonario up by 3. Remember, the winner of this match goes on to the semifinal, while the loser will have to be content for the battle between 5th and 6th place. 5th or 6th place. Morada trying to drop it in. Soriano on the setup now for Tabaquero. Patrona. Peñano for Morada on the open attack. They're coming from Maika Morada. How about that?
The ball was actually, it seemed like she lacked wrist, but it touched the blockers.
There's a battle up front of two people who stopped their college career and actually lost weight.
That's right.
Maika Morada and Charo Soriano.
Which doesn't happen very often.
Doesn't happen. Well, it happens to Andre Mulia. That's a different story.
With all the rice.
Oh, wow. Gumabao will have to be treated to the spa tonight.
One of her buddies.
Yeah, by her spa buddy.
Bud.
Michelle with Melissa Gohing. Now a 5-point lead for Bingo Millonario. Here's Gumabao on the serve. Angge. Morada adjusting. Trying to drop it in, and she does.
Morada now trying to play smart.
Trying to play like Mikmik. Cara Acevedo comes in, replacing Aiza Maizo. Trying to play like Mikmik, actually.
Really trying to vary those attacks.
6-point lead for the Puffins here in the third set. Gumabao. Bad read again by Gohing.
And Gumabao very happy with that point.
7-point lead for Bingo Millonario. Timeout, Patron.
Wala tayong mapupuntos kung wala tayong first ball. Kasi makakapuntos lang sa atin kung aatake tayo. Okay, hindi po pwedeng service lang kasi hindi nga volleyball yon. Kailangan may service, may receive. Okay? Mag-receive tayo ng maayos. Okay? Para maitaas ang bola, dalawa lang kayong spiker. Umanda ka. At pagkakuha ng bola, padaanin mo si Rhea para dalawa pa rin ang spiker natin. Okay? Nawawala, nagiging isa lang eh. Wala nang option. Kumpiyansa na kayo. Tara! Kaya pa natin habulin yan!
So what's that? The cause of traffic has been addressed already. No need for a tow truck there. Charo Soriano, of course, has blocked the path of Rhea Maculangan so many times.
But, you know, Coach Billet made an excellent point. Volleyball doesn't stop at the serve.
Yeah.
So what they need really is to get a good reception. And so far, Gumabao, if Di Maculangan on the other end has been consistent, Gumabao this time around has done an excellent job for the Puffins.
Charo just tipping it over. Here comes Morada into the net, though. Well, they put her in the open spiker position. That's they're gonna have to get a few ad-libs here and there. So 20 or 14 serving 20 right now. Angeli Tabaquero. Gumabao. She saw it. Laborte off the block. Kept alive there by Tabaquero. This is too near for Kainglet, and she will use the hands. It's still alive. Morada. Gohing. Di Maculangan, dug up there by Peñano. Here comes Morada into the face of Charo. It's still alive. And Charo attacking. She saw it. Laborte dug up there by Tabaquero. Kainglet.
Oh! Kainglet getting that kill. And the fans love that, of course.
You know, it's again the two spikers that we've been covering for all these years. Angge Tabaquero and Phil Kainglet. We always wonder where they generate all this power.
Because they
when
have
they
such
spike.
slim figures.
Right. So that lead is down to 5. Tabaquero. Gumabao. Saed dropping it in, and Cara Acevedo to get that with her offhand. It didn't work. 21-15. Bingo Millonario. And almost a rotation error there. And this substitution here by Cruzada is going to buy enough time for Mikmik Laborte to step out.
This is the right substitution. Earlier we saw how
11 was substituted.
So this is the right substitution. What they need is a strong, solid defense at the backcourt.
And Cruzada puts it in play. Di Maculangan now for Phil Kainglet. Morada. She saw it. Morada And that was blocked there by Charo Soriano. Here's Penetrante now. Acevedo is there. Di Maculangan. Combination now for Kainglet. Kept alive by Patrona. Penetrante. Di Maculangan. Quick set to Charo. Di Maculangan. One more time. This time goes to the open to Phil Kainglet.
Oh! Kainglet scoring a lot of those points.
And you gotta love the way Rhea Di Maculangan just used all her options that time.
And that's, of course, a sign of a smart setter.
Right. Still down 5 though. Here's Charo Soriano. Nice serve. Peñano gets to it. Here's the combination now for Morada, who does not even get it across.
Oh, now look at the errors.
Again, Morada is moonlighting in that open spiker position. But again, because of the way she jumps, you expect a lot out of her.
Sometimes you'd see it's giggle because
Right.
you know that she can jump high, but she's probably trying to go for a hard spike.
And that was kept alive, but not for long by Acevedo. Maureen Penetrante Juano makes it a 5-point lead now for Bingo Millonario. They only need 3 points to claim this third set. Micah Morada now to put it in play. Gohing. Di Maculangan. Kainglet against 2. Gets it through.
Kainglet using her blockers to get that point.
And went through the smaller blocker in Chisaet as well.
That's a smarter way to go about it.
4-point lead for the Puffins. But Di Maculangan is back where she's terrorized Bingo Millonario the whole game. And Morada with a very good reception there. Here's Iris Patrona.
Oh, Patrona now getting her game back.
And they are just 2 points away from taking this third set. Chisaet up 5. Gohing. Di Maculangan running attack. Micah Ortiz dug up there by Cruzada. Patrona. Dug up there by Kainglet. Di Maculangan goes back to Phil. Phil drops it in.
Phil has really turned into a very smart outside hitter, knowing her opponents, knowing the position. And that makes her life a lot easier in scoring the point.
And it also makes life a lot easier for Bingo Millonario knowing that Kainglet is now back to serve.
But wait, Tabaquero now
That's
is in
right.
the front line.
Here's Penetrante off the block. Coverage is there from Di Maculangan. Acevedo attacking. Here's Chisaet now going to Michelle Gumabaw off the block. Kept alive by Kainglet. Kept alive by Di Maculangan. And Acevedo has to get it across. Back set now. Michelle Gumabaw dug up by Gohing. Acevedo. Gumabaw now for Patrona. Blocked by Mike Ortiz, and it will go and stay in.
Oh, this makes it even more exciting. Look at this.
Down to 3. Quarterfinal match. And a serve by Kainglet. Combination now. Patrona dropping it in again.
You know, Patrona, that's one of the rare times that you would see her go for an off-speed shot. Almost 90% if Laborte goes for an off-speed, Patrona would go for a hard spike.
And speaking of Laborte, here she comes replacing Cecil Cruzada in front. So set point now for Bingo Millonario. They got 4 of them. And Penetrante Juano.
But still, they cannot relax. It is a strong front line here for Petron.
There's Mike Ortiz. There's a net violation against Michelle Gumabaw. And she can't believe it.
3 attackers for Petron.
Full front line.
Soriano, Tabaquero, and Acevedo.
Micah took something off that serve. Chisaet plays it off the net. Peñano sends it across. Di Maculangan, quick set to Charo. Chisaet. Iris Patrona, dug up there by Di Maculangan. Acevedo. Gumabaw. Laborte. Banggaan dun. Free ball coming up from Kainglet. Sky ball. Double and their combination. Great block there by Tabacano. That's a double violation.
It was
against Mikmik.
good coverage on the part of the Puffins, but Laborte unable to get that ball.
And Ronald Dulay needs this timeout. We all do need this timeout.
That was a costly mistake.
Yeah, that's true. Let's listen in.
Pag timeout madali, kita isipin nyo na lang ha. Isipin nyo na lang. Ha? Kung matatalo, 1 is to 5. 1 is to 5. Bakit natin pahirapan ang sarili natin? 3 pa yung spiker natin sa harapan. Hey, sino nasa harapan? Ito. Diskartehan mo ng maayos. Umasa muna tayo. 5 man. W formation tayo. Then, Chico na mag-distribute. Tandaan nyo, 1 is to 5 yan. Isa lang kukunin natin sila, 5.
It's a good ratio though, but they only need 3 right now. Oh, yeah, you're right, 5. But now, the big question is, can Bingo Millonario close it out?
They need one good reception and one good execution of a play. But they've been unpredictable
Right.
in terms of committing those mistakes. Let's see if they can do something about it now.
Had to ad-lib that time. Here's Acevedo now going to Tabaquero. Great block! Laporte ends it. Third set belongs to Bingo Millonario, 25-22. The blocking, which has been the trademark of Bingo Millonario this entire tournament, reigned supreme for them there in that third set. Fourth set when we return.